What's up everyone, I'm Jacky YBT, tech away, tech everything. Today I'm gonna introduce a software for you guys. It's called TuneMate. Is it better than iTunes? Can it replace iTunes? In this video, we will find it out. iMyFone TunesMate, made by Shenzhen iMyFone Technology Co. And based on their tagline, this software is a one-stop solution to transfer media files between iOS and iTunes. So this is for Mac. They also provide the Windows version, both trial and the pay option. So this one is the pay one that they send me the software to review it. It's not sponsored video, just they asked me to do a review for this software. First, you have to connect your iPhone to your Mac PC. First thing, you have to trust your Mac first, trust your PC. So this is the home screen of the application. It will show you the details of your iDevice, like your phone storage and the details of the phone. Like for example, like what OS version you're using right now. Beside that, there's 3 different features that show you in a big button. So it's very easy to use it. The user interface is really friendly. The first one, transfer iDevice media to iTunes, basically means that it will transfer all your phone content to your iTunes. For example, like you bought a new laptop and you want to transfer all your songs to the iTunes because it lost all the song because it's new laptop. So you can use this feature and transfer all the songs to the iTunes and then you sync it. You just click it and it will scan through your device. So here got different category like music, movies, podcasts or something like that. You can click on it if you have the content. So right now I don't have any other than the music. So you just click start and all the music from your phone will transfer to your iTunes. The second one is transfer iTunes media to the iDevice. This feature can replace iTunes really because it transfers all the iTunes to your iPhone. It's really useful. Third, backup photos to Mac, very self-explanatory features. Transfer photos, backup photos and videos using iPhone is pretty hassle. Because iPhone is not like Android where you can drag and drop photos, backup wherever you want. There's some restriction and limitation. That's why this feature comes in handy. By using this feature, it allows you to backup all your photos and videos to your PC or Mac. So it depends on how many photos or video you have. For example, mine, I got a lot of photos, that's why it takes more time to do it. Here's the older Windows. So you just create a new photos and name it whatever you want. I'm gonna put backup photos. Just create. Then you open and you can transfer all the photos in this folder. Yeah. You can open and check it out. All the photos is in your PC already. You don't need to worry that anything happened to your phone. So the next one will be music. So this is the music. Show you all the music you have right now. It's really useful because it shows the name of the songs, time, size, artist, album, date, when you added the song, and you can fix it with a button by pressing the pencil button, and you can change the name, the artist, album, genre, years, whatever. It's really useful. And you can add file or folder directly from your PC or Mac to this software. Or you want to export, so let's say you click one, you export, you can export to your PC or Mac or to your iTunes. If you don't want to use iTunes, you use this add file, add folder, this feature. And you also can delete the song from here directly. The song in your phone would also delete it once you click delete. And if you want to select all the music, you just click the top button. So very easy, straightforward. Next, video, same thing. So I don't have any videos, so it show empty, but it's basically the same feature as the music, straightforward. And photos also, you can select. Once you select, it will show you the size also, export, delete, yeah. Next one will be apps, also very useful. You can delete the apps directly from this application and show you the app version, app size and document. So that's about it, guys. This is all the features that you get in this application. It's really useful, convenient, user-friendly, and pretty straightforward. Manage all your content very easily. I recommend you guys to buy it. One thing I wish that they can add dark mode. It will make the application even better, more beautiful. Yeah, I will put the link down below if you guys want to check it out. You can buy it. So remember to give a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down in the comment section below, share it to your friends and family, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.